Dear clients, as Hurricane Helene approaches Florida, expected to make landfall this Thursday afternoon, we want to ensure that you and your loved ones are as prepared as possible. Now is the time to take every precaution. At the military veteran team at LPT Realty, your safety is our highest priority. We've compiled a comprehensive guide to help you prepare for this hurricane and any potential challenges it may bring. Please take the following steps seriously to protect your home and your family. 1. Prepare an emergency kit. Include essentials like water, food, medications, first aid supplies, flashlights, and a portable charger. In case of emergency, scan this code. 2. Secure important documents, protect them in waterproof containers, and create digital backups. 3. Fortify your home, secure windows, trim trees, and clear gutters. 4. Review your insurance policy, ensure you're covered for hurricane-related damages, and document your home's condition. 5. Create an evacuation plan. Know your evacuation zone, plan your route, and designate a meeting place. Scan here to find your evacuation zones. 6. Stay informed. Monitor local news, weather radio, and government alerts. 7. After the storm, wait for the all clear, inspect for damage, avoid floodwaters, check on neighbors, and file insurance claims promptly. At the military veteran team at LPT Realty, we are here to support you before, during, and after Hurricane Helene. Should you need any assistance, please contact 911 and don't hesitate to reach out to us too. We will continue to monitor the situation and keep you updated on any significant developments. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, we're in this together. Sincerely, the military veteran team at LPT Realty.